All right, Mom and Abel are taking the dolly back down to the garage. So I'm in here by myself. I wanted to show you guys the room. Starting from the front door, you walk right into a mini kitchenette. You do have a mini fridge, a microwave, a sink, coffee pot with their typical complimentary Joffrey's coffee and Twinings tea bags. And then you do have some storage. So if you are bringing some of your kitchen supplies, I know a lot of people who stay for long periods of time, they might bring crock pots and different things to cook. You do have a little bit of room there. Moving on, I believe this is actually where the rooms connect. Yes, so you will just see a door. So if you rent this room and the one next door, you can open that up and it is a connecting room. They also provide towels for the personal use for the pool, but you do have to return them when finished. We've got a little hanging area here so you can hang your pool bag, your purse, anything like that. Moving into the little kind of dining room, got a table with 4 chairs, a nice little lamp area. Walking down the hall, you do have a tiny seating area, a little desk, and then this is our view from this window. So we are not ocean view like last time. This is actually the very front of the resort. This is where you drive up and park your car and go into the lobby to check in. So we are on the direct opposite side as we were last time. Moving in a little further, we've got a closet. Comes with the stationary items, an ironing board and iron. You've got some extra pillows and blankets, some wood hangers, and a luggage holder, baby crib, a safe, and a, not a fire hydrant, what is that called? A fire putter outer. I cannot think of the name right now. This is what the bathroom looks like. So 1 sink, standard, and all of these drawers for your personal use. I believe usually resorts come with like a hair dryer. Oh, it's down here. There we go. So you do have a hair dryer underneath. And let's see if there's anything in here. Looks like not. Nope, so just plenty of storage. They also include the traditional H2O products. You've got the face soap and the body lotion there. You also have a pull-out mirror. Whoop, that is a nice flattering angle. So when you are doing your makeup, you do have a little vanity set up, and it also has a light, which is very nice. Moving into the bathroom. Again, very standard toilet, washcloths. This is the shower. Now this is still fairly new. They no longer have the mini bottles that a lot of people like to take home as souvenirs. They have built in a refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So it's definitely more eco-friendly on the hotel's part. But I know that that was upsetting to some people because, as I said, they do like to take home the H2O products. So there's that. We've also got towels on the back. Then moving into the bedroom itself, let's flip on all the lights here. Oh, turned off the light. We've got 2 queen beds. This little seat. Is this storage? Does this lift up? It does not, but it does have a drawer. You do have a full-length mirror, which is really nice. You've got the TV. Again, tons of storage. There's 6 drawers that you can put all of your clothes and personal items into. We usually find that this top shelf always becomes like our catch-all. We kind of throw everything there. But what's also really nice is, in addition to more outlets, they do have the iPhone cord, like the USB adapter, so you can just plug your phone in. On the nightstand, it does have that same feature, so you can plug any phones in close to the beds as well. You do have the phone and the phone information, all the different numbers for if you're wanting to call room to room, anything like that. Bible, and empty storage. We also have another seating area. A lot of room for seating, which is really cool. So this is a standard view room rather than an ocean view like we did last time. You do have, oh, that was a little loud, 2 seats, and then this is what our standard view looks like. So we can definitely see the pool in great detail. There is the kind of like lighthouse water slide there. There is the like fitness center. And then right over there you can see the ocean. So still a little bit of an ocean view, which is nice.
Solar panels, which I think that's it.
Abel likes to look at that kind of stuff. Yeah, that does look like solar panels, you're right. All right, so that's our room. Super excited. I think we might change into swim gear. Oh, sorry, honey. Didn't realize you were coming in after me. I think we might change into swim gear and head down to the pool. It also always comes with information. I know that a lot of people like to collect these as well. Just the little cards. This is a letter saying if you want to provide any feedback, you can contact the general manager at Vero Beach. This one is just information on the no-see-ums. This is definitely Mom has firsthand experienced, not in a good way. When we were at Sanibel, the last time we were there, she got really eaten up. So we really had to make sure that we loaded up on bug spray and all that kind of stuff. We did make a reservation for the character breakfast tomorrow. Mom also got information on the spa. I might do a spa service while we're here. Something simple like a putty. Let's see. Oh, they have bridal services. That's really cool. Let's see if that'll focus. Nope, not doing it. You can kind of see it. They have bridal services for the wedding day, so you can get your hair done for the wedding party. That's really nice. I'll look at that in depth. Oh, and you also, of course, get the, it's kind of like the Navigator on the cruise lines, but it's basically a breakdown of everything that's happening by hour. So it is Friday currently. So there is a tot treasure hunt, a Discovery Club event for the little ones, a mini golf tournament, a trivia battle, and the sing-along campfire. Those are nice. I'm so clumsy. Those are the events we could do tonight. I think that's it. Super excited. I love it here. And I'm excited to be back. Let's check out what these guys are doing.
Eating the cookies, they bring them out at 3 o'clock.
Hey!
So I brought a whole bunch of cookies.
They bring out cookies. Let me see.
Something out of the water.
Oh, Mama's stealing some cookies. Oh my gosh, she's not joking.
Yeah, the cookies.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat one. That's awesome.